Configuring WorldPay direct integration is a straightforward process that enables businesses to accept online payments securely and efficiently. To begin, you need to have a WorldPay account and a website or application that supports payment gateway integration. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the Merchant Interface section. Here, you will find the payment response URL and the MD5 secret key, which are essential for the integration process. The payment response URL is used to send payment responses from WorldPay to your server, while the MD5 secret key is used to verify the authenticity of these responses. Next, you need to choose the integration method that suits your business needs. WorldPay offers two integration methods: a payment form hosted on your server or a payment form hosted on WorldPay's server. If you choose to host the payment form on your server, you will need to generate a payment request and redirect the customer to WorldPay's payment processing page. To generate a payment request, you need to create a form that collects the customer's payment details, such as card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to include the payment amount, currency, and a unique transaction reference number. Once the customer submits the form, you will need to redirect them to WorldPay's payment processing page, where they can complete the payment. After the customer completes the payment, WorldPay will send a payment response to your server, which includes the payment result and other relevant details. You can then use this information to update your database and complete the order processing. To ensure the security and integrity of the payment process, it is essential to use a secure protocol, such as HTTPS, to encrypt the payment data. You should also validate the payment response from WorldPay using the MD5 secret key to prevent tampering and ensure that the response is genuine. In addition to these technical requirements, it is also important to comply with industry standards and regulations, such as PCI DSS and GDPR. This includes implementing robust security measures, such as encryption and access controls, to protect sensitive payment data. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure WorldPay direct integration and start accepting online payments securely and efficiently. Remember to test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly and to identify any potential issues before they affect your customers.